Hi students, a very good morning to one and all. My name is Maheshwari. I belongs to MVR College of Engineering and Technology from the branch of CSE department. Today I would like to deliver the mobile computing concepts, which is nothing but the class 2. I hope everyone is fine to this pandemic situation. I feel very happy to see you all here. Let me start the concept. So all of you know what is meant by mobile computing. Today all are used in your phones, mobiles in your hands. So all of you know the external operations, how to access the mobile, how to operate the mobile, and how to use external devices by using of mobile. All the things you know, but internally we can learn more by using of mobile computing subject. So here the fantastic breaking through technology is here. This wireless communication network and portable information appliance and internet, all three are the fantastic breaking through technology, including of mobile technology. In this wireless communication network, it is a multiple network covering the global. So which means it will be included by using of global system for mobile communication. So wherever they stay, they will be communicate. If for example, if you stay in your AP and other person B will stay in America, both are communicating by using of multiple network of covering of GPS by using GSM. And next, worldwide deregulation and spectral actions is there, and standard communication system and airlink interfaces also involved in wireless communication network. And second thing is portable information applies. In this portable information, what does mean portable? Which is nothing but the size of scene is being small. So the laptops, nowadays we all are use laptops, notebooks, sub-notebooks, all are used mostly in MNC companies. And these portable information appliances are used handheld computers, and PDAs are smartphones. Personal digital assistants are smartphones will be used. These all are used to MNC companies by using of portable information of database maintenance. And third one is internet. All of you know how to internet protocol can be accessed by using of application protocols. It is a ubiquitous web content also, and new form of computing. Here we learn the formation of computing means, which is nothing but operations on computer we can call computing. These operations of computer will be distributed computing by using of client server. In this client server, they will be distributed by using of wireless network, pneumatic computing, mobile computing, ubiquitous computing, and pervasive computing, invisible computing. These all are distributed computing by the basis of client server. All of you know wireless computing. And mobile computing, you know pneumatic computing, ubiquitous computing, pervasive computing, invisible computing. All these things we are learned in yesterday class. Yes, what does mean mobile computing? How we using? It is a small size portable computer, handheld computer. Mostly it will be used in MNC companies and other small wearable devices. All of you know what does mean wearable devices. Present situation, some of the peoples will be used watches. In that watches also they use the computer. Okay, and to run standalone applications or access remote applications by using of wireless network, IR, Bluetooth, WLANs, circular packets, world packets, data network and satellites, etc. By using of this standalone application will be developed nomadic and mobile users, animals, agents, trains, cars, cell phones, all these things will be used by the mobile users by using of nomadic. What does mean nomadic, mobile, ubiquitous? What does mean? Here we see the picture. There are three types of computing, which is nomadic computing and mobile computing and ubiquitous computing. Nomadic computing are no network, fixed network and fixed wireless network. So with no network, in the sense if there is no network, the work will be done by using of database. And fixed range of network means the capacity will be fixed, and fixed wireless network also, it will be wireless network will be the network part will be they provided, that will be fixed. In this mobile computing, nowadays we use wireless network which is nothing but our laptops, mobiles and tabs, palm computers, all that are involved in wireless network. So the combination of nomadic computing and mobile computing we can call as ubiquitous computing. Another view of ubiquitous computing, here we see the graph. So in this graph there is a mainframe computer. In this mainframe computer means earlier we learn one computer, many people we can call as mainframe, and PCs means one person can use one computer. Ubiquitous computing will be used one person, many computers. So the graph will be seen in sale purpose of MNC companies. So in this sales, yes, see, PCs are pink in color and mainframes are blue in color, and ubiquitous computing are green color. So the green color MNC companies are mostly used in present situation in high. And impressive wireless infrastructure. Here you see the example. In this blue there is you see in apartment. In that apartment there is a room. The room will be provided Bluetooth. In building and picosal they will be used Bluetooth. That Bluetooth will be used as urban areas also, microcell also. In apartment we used, and urban areas of microcells also we use. In our macro cells also we use the Bluetooth. This Bluetooth will be provide the information of satellite by using of global. So all of you see the picture, you can understand. Wireless communication technology. Here you see the graph, wireless communication technology. So here we can calculate information rate and mobility. So see the information rate, there is a wide technology will be used, portability improvement. In this portability improvement will be used WLAN, and it will be used advanced wireless accessing. Okay, so cardless phones and PHS means public health service will be used advanced wireless access by using of multimedia and FPLMTS also used. FPLMTs means Future Public Land Mobile Telecommunication System. What does mean? FPLMTS means Future Public Land Mobile Telecommunication System. And cellulars also used. The mobility will be used indoors and outdoors. So we see the outdoors, we moving in a vehicle, we walking and in stationary, they all are provided. And indoors, premises, office room, all are provided. So by communication of wireless technology, we can use the satellite of sensor. By using of mobility, we can calculate the information rate as we see here. And next, wireless network convergence. In this we see 2G and 3G mobile bandwidth. Here we use bandwidth range and mobility also. Here we see the graph will be visa in rupee. In mobility we can compare room, office, campus, metropolitan, religion, national and global. And bandwidth means it will be calculated 10K, 100K, 1M, 10M and 100M and 1 giga. And next, here globally will be used GSM, which is nothing but Global System for Mobile. And office will be used DECT. DECT means Digital Enhanced Cardless Telecommunication, and WAN also used here. And in between the communication of graph by using of mobility and bandwidth will connecting the trade-off. Here we use UMTS. UMTS means Universal Mobile Telecommunication System. UMTS means, again I repeat, Universal Mobile Telecommunication System. So in this mobility will be calculated the range of 127 and 0.122 to 0.1223, and right side you saw the ranges. What is said in previously, I can give the small example. That example will be overlay here. See the picture. Here there is a Bluetooth will be used in building and Bicocell, and urbans also used macro cell, and micro cells also used. These all are collected information by using of satellite. That satellite are wide area overlaid network that will be using of region area, metropolitan area and campus area packet relay, and in buildings also. This is GSM base station in Europe. What does mean GSM? GSM means Global System for Mobile Communication. In this global system for mobile communication, the base stations in Europe like this. In right side, Nokia prime site is like this, and Rishon RBS 2000 are in like this. I provided the arrows, and it will be using in September 1997. Earlier I said UMTS. UMTS is Universal Mobile Communication Standard. In this Universal Mobile Communication Standard, it operates multi-cell environment, which is nothing but satellites, macro, micro, pico, all our operations will be performed global by using of Universal Mobile Communication. and it will be used global roaming, multi-mode, multi-band, low cost, terminal and portable services, and quality in services also provide, and it will be provide high data rates at different mobile speeds. Okay, vehicles and indoor office of time or moving objects. So whatever the different mobile speeds will be used by using of high data rates, and multimedia interface to the internet. Internet will be multimedia, and based on the core GSM conforms to IMT. IMT means, what does mean IMT? IMT means infrastructure management and technical services. Again I repeat, all of you know the abbreviations what I given here. IMT means infrastructure management and technical services, will be in 2000, deployment as early as 2002. See the here picture. Here there is a UMTs. UMTs means Universal Mobile Telecommunication, and FPLMTs means what I said in previous, Future Public Land Mobile Telecommunication System. These two will be communicated by using of ITU, IMT, ETS and SMG. See, ITU means International Telecommunication Union, and IMT means what? Infrastructure management and technical services. ETSI means European Telecommunication Standard Institute, and SMG means Special Mobile Group. All these are communicating by using of standards will be used to communicate of IMTs and UMTS. Here we all are known Apple network, Apple Newton. All of you know Apple mobile. So in starting version will be used Apple Newton. In this Apple Newton, it is the series of personal digital assistant developed and marketing by Apple Computer. Apple started developing the platform in 1987 and shipped the first device in 1993, and the operating system also used here. That operating system is Newton OS. So all of you know this is the Apple Newton. And next slide is the Palm. All of you know Palm. It is a pocket calculator and size battery powered computer comparable with IBM personal computer. It will be gripped our hand, and it has the calculated and battery power also compatible with our personal computers. It launched in 1990s. And Motorola Macro. All of you know Motorola mobiles. In this Motorola Macro, it will be operating system will be used Newton's 1.3 version and 4 MB ROM, 687 KB flash RAM, and 320x24 monochrome LCD touch screen. Serial port will be used RS422, local talk support, and the slots are used 5V or 12V. The Sharp as integrated port, 4 AA batteries, rechargeable, and first released in January 1995. The weight is 1.8 pounds and is 7.5 inches high, 5.8 width and 1.4 inches deep. Strict in this, and this is the Motorola Macro model. It launched in 1995. Next, Motorola NV. This is the Motorola NV. See the picture. Personal wireless communication was a personal digital assistant initially started for released by Motorola. It is released by Motorola and the year is 1996. The Pocket PC. All of you know Pocket PC. It is also known as Microsoft as a Windows Mobile. It is a classic device. It is a kind of personal digital assistant that runs the Windows Mobile operating system. This Pocket PC runs Windows Mobile operating system. It launched in 1998. Nokia 9000 communicator. This is the Nokia 9000 communicator. It is the first product in Nokia communicator series, announced at 1996. The phone was large and heavy and the weight is 397 grams. Next, the handheld computer. In this handheld computer, the Sharp Chaurus is the name of series of personal digital assistant. Here, the PDS made by Sharp Corporation. So PDS means personal digital service. It will be launched in 1998. And the tablet, all of you know the tablet mobile phones. A tablet computer, commonly shortened to tablet, it is a mobile device typical with a mobile operating system and touchscreen display, rechargeable battery, thin and flat package. It will be launched in 2002. And handheld computers. Okay, is it? Next, laptops, notebook and netbooks. All of you know laptops. So laptops means it is a small portable PC having a thin LCD or LED computer screen mounted in inside and upper lid by using of clamshell, and it is a alphanumeric keyboard. So all laptops and notebooks, sub notebooks, netbooks all are in portable in size, okay, and having the LCD or LED screen and alphanumeric keyboard also used. The laptops will be launched in 1991, notebooks 1996, netbooks in 2006. This is the first PC, which is Jupiter. It offers interface port feature similar to laptop. So it is also used as a similar to laptop, and it is a act as interface, offers an interface. All the activities we can't do in wristwatch, so which is nothing but wrist PC. Some of the activities we can do, some photos which we see here, some phone calls we can attempt, and some bank information we will be checked it, but more we cannot do here. It is a portable features also. Next, this is Japanese PHS phone. The year launched is 2001. PHS means Public Health Service Phone. Nowadays, all the call centers will be used this COVID-19 pandemic situation by using of PHS phones, which is nothing but Public Health Service. Okay, in this Public Health Service, we can see here the information will be get by screen, which is nothing but display. If we use the loudspeaker, we can use here, and microphones also used. Antenna inbuilt will be here. Through that antenna, the database will be collected where the call is coming and where the location is there and which position of people will be suffering. So those information of database will be collected by using of PHS. Next, earphones. All of you know earphones. These are in wirepiece and wireless transceivers also here. Okay, hearing for factor. Earphones will be used as hearing factor and integrated microphone and speakers, low power, short range RFIDs like Bluetooth, and embedded IP address, voice processing, external unit, and controlled by the software agents. Wearable computers. All of you know wearable computers. It is small computing device worn on our body. In swimming, we can use the spets for capture, and we use the microphones. Present situation, mostly they can use, all are used wearable computers. See the picture, all of you understand. And more wearable PCs. More wearable PCs are via voice recognition also included here. The features are power controls, comfort and flexible, battery connector, PC cards, slot accessing, heatsink, USB also here, adapter, and its integrated input output jack, audios, keyboard, mouse, USB, analog videos, 2 serial ports, power, all are involved in this more wearable via voice recognition also. See here the picture, you all are understand. And wireless helmet, it is very advanced wireless helmet with revolutionary in-slide display, minus and multi-dimensional rumble setting. The new box of 360 wireless helmet bring first person gramming to next level. Features: airflow, having the feature, and 5.1 digital surrounding sound, flex plasma in slide display, temper pressure running rumble settings also there. This is the power ring. Power ring magic word. In this power ring magic word, the monitor have and low power and embedded IP address. So see this is the magical ring. This magical ring will be used on our fingers. This having the small size of macros, sensors, integrated circuits, and memory system, all are including the central device package. So see the picture. NTT key fingers. NTT key fingers are used variable telephonic handset, used and developed by the Japanese technology. So see this picture, the hand having the rings, those are the key fingers. Projection keyboard. The name itself, projection, means reflected. It is the form of computer input device whereby the image of virtual keyboard in projected on surface. See the figure. The projection will be in surface. The keyboard is virtual image and it is the form of input device. The keyboard is form of input device. So present situation, we use mobile computing by using of iPhones, plastic, logic, QUS, iPads, 22 mouse and Androids, Mayus, portable projectors, all are used in situation. The technology will be developed. We also develop to fast accessing by using of these mobile computings. Mobile technology versus the smartphone or pad. Smartphones. So the smartphones or pads, the technology will be used in our hand. In our hand we can access the data anywhere and any time. And that iPads also, here our smartphones do the work in multitasking. So in the integrated embedded IP's address, so the task will be fulfilled by using of our smartphones also. Present situation, we can use the portable computer, and that portable computer we can access our mobile, whatever the information, whatever the database we can collect for MNCs companies. So easy to carry, this easy to carry. In 2009 survey, we see here the pie diagram. This pie diagram, RIM 19%, Apple 15%, and Android 10%, and others are 7.41%, and Symbian is 44%. Those calculation will be used by using of mobile completing of survey in 2009. And reinventing the tablet, the new era of pads. In 2010 to 2011, the new impacting Microsoft. So this is the tab. Beneficiary of witness computing. Yes, see the example. Internet will be used in commuters, travelers, stock trends, and medical purpose. They use our internet, and intranet will be used in law enforcement, package development, education, insurance, emergency, tracking, intelligence, and military. And ad hoc network will be used clients and server. So this is the beneficiaries of a witness of both mobile computing and nomadic computing. Limitations of mobile environment. This is the limitations of mobile environment. In this mobile environment, the wireless network is the major limitation. So heterogeneity of fragmented network, the frequent disconnections, limited communication bandwidth are the most limited wireless network, and impossible by mobility. This is the second one. And limitations of mobile computer. And limitation impossible by mobility. There are two sectors: lack of mobility, awareness by application, and lack of mobility, awareness by system. We see lack of mobility, awareness by applications are inherently transparent program model. Those are object component oriented but not aspect oriented. lack of environment test and set APS port, lack of mobility awareness by the system. In this section, they involve network, section, operating system, client server. We see network. Existing the transport protocol are inefficient to use, acts across heterogeneous mix of fixed wireless network. Section and presentation inappropriate for the wireless environment and mobility. Operating system lack of environment related conditions and signals. Client and server unless change, inoperate and inefficient. So those are the limitations impossible by mobility. Again I repeat, the imposed by mobility. There are two factors. Those are lack of mobility, awareness by application, lack of mobility, awareness by system. This client server, there are unless changed, inappropriate and inefficient. This is the limitations. These limitations will be imposed by mobility sector. So this all we know how mobile computing included in different technologies. Those technologies we seen in this video, those are Apple Newton, the Palm and Motorola Macro, Motorola Envoy, the Pocket PC, the Nokia 9000 communicator, the handheld computer and the tablet PC. In the technology involved laptops, notebooks, sub-notebooks and netbooks. The first was PC replicator and Japanese PHP phone, earphones, wearable computers and more wearable computers and wireless helmet, the power ring. It is also called as magic ring. Key fingers and projection keyboard. So all these technologies will be used in our today functionalities, and smartphones also used. So because it is very portable, and the beneficiaries also we learn by using of internet, intranet, ad hoc networks, where they will be used we can learn in this section. And limitations also we learn. Limitation mobile environment. At last we use limitation imposed by mobility. Dear students, today's section will be end. Whatever the class we hear, you must learn yourself. By using of this video. You can improve your knowledge. I hope all of you understand. Thank you, students.